Apple's newest iPhone 14 Plus model is available in a bright yellow color. Let's take a look at the 128GB model I purchased today. Let's start with the back of the box, where the trademark Apple Glow logo should be prominently displayed. As soon as you open the packaging, you'll notice that the machine's bright glass back and yellow front are identical to the outgoing model. There are currently 6 different iPhone 14 models available, each of which comes in either blue, purple, yellow, or shooter Starlight color and a red box. Other notable features include a warranty policy, Apple stickers, and professional reviews. When compared to the standard iPhone, which weighs 30 grams of sulfur, the Plus version of the iPhone 14 is noticeably heavier, coming in at 14 grams. Despite being nearly half a caddy in size, the iPhone 14 Pro Max still requires nearly 40 mobile phone storage. Once the system is up and running, I see that the 128GB version is actually 110GB. Depending on how you plan to use it, select the version with the appropriate capacity. The system you are provided with is relatively up-to-date, as the version of the operating system is 6.3. However, the music is presented in English and the Chinese title is absent. Do you like the hue of this wall covering? I'll evaluate it alongside you. The 6.1-inch iPhone screen is too small, in my opinion. One-handed operation is still a bit of a challenge, but the battery life is improved over the standard iPhone 14. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 3-hour talk time and a 26-hour playback time, giving it a 6-hour advantage over the standard iPhone 14. Everyone has a complaint about the iPhone 14 series, but Apple hasn't lowered the price of the 15-chip iPhones from the previous generation. Finally, let's discuss the visual impact of the yellow color palette. It's more striking, and the color is somewhat reminiscent of lemon yellow. However, because the panels are made of glass, the shade of the color shifts as the sun rises and sets. The next time I pick up a machine, it won't be the last. The power of these machines is palpable. Color asterisk, have no fear, this is the issues unboxing of an iPhone 14 Plus. To what extent do you approve of the current color scheme? Feel free to start a conversation with me in the comments section.